Guy Moley, who is the team captain of the Moms Cancer Fighting Angels.
Each team is responsible for doing fundraising for the American Cancer Society. So we chose to get involved with the Route 1 Riders at the time, and we did a cruise night with them on a Thursday night. It was so successful, we decided we wanted to try to move it to a Sunday, and with a lot of encouragement from a family friend, Bill Pappas, we moved it to a Sunday, and we've always had it on this day every year, and the time has never changed and dates never changed, and we just run with it. And we feel the 4 to 8 window is a big key to our success, because a lot of guys will go to a bigger show. Open it to everybody. You got the classics, the low riders, so a little bit of everything, which I think is also the key to the success of the show.
I agree. It's a great crowd. Everyone's really friendly. A lot of families, a lot of kids.
Yes, very
that's the
family.
best part.
Yep.
Guy, I really appreciate you running this every year.
Thank you so much.
This is a great cause, and thank you for talking to us.
Thank you. We appreciate you, everything you guys do.